Here we want to calculate the sum of math score and reading score. So we put the formula here. So if we copy this formula to the next cell, you can see that cell reference has changed from math score to reading score. So if we want to make the cell reference constant, we can use dollar symbol in front of column name or row's name to make it fixed. Here we use dollar symbols in front of F column to make it fixed. Now if we copy this formula to the next cell, the math score is fixed. The only reading score has a changed. You can see that. Yeah. If we copy this below, the row has changed. You can see that. So to make it row reference is also constant, you can just put dollar symbol in front of row number. Yeah. Now we copy this below. The math score is fixed 68, but the reading score is varies. Here you can see that only reading score is varies, but the math score is fixed.